Hi, I'm John. I'm a maths teacher currently teaching in Brixton. Today I'm going to help you go through some maths problems such as this, and I hope that it helps. If we want to add some fractions, let's look at an example and see how we do that. Let's add the fractions 2/4 and 1/4. A good way to think about this is to look at the diagrams of these fractions. A good diagram would be draw two circles and split these circles into 4. If we colour in 2/4 here and 1/4 here, it's very clear what we expect our answer to be. Let's draw another diagram here and split it into 4. And we can see that if we take these two red bits and this red bit here, we get this. Now, if you were asked to describe this as a fraction, it'd be very wise to say that it was 3/4. Looking at the numerical version of the sum, you can see that the denominator, the number on the bottom of the fraction, has stayed the same. It is only the numerators which have been added together to give the final answer. 2 plus 1 equals 3. So 2/4 plus 1/4 equals 3/4. Let's look at one more example. This time, let's not use diagrams. Let's look at 4/11 plus 2/11. Now remember, the denominator is unaffected. It stays the same. Here we only add the numerators. 4 plus 2 is 6, and this gives us 6/11. Subtracting fractions is exactly the same method. Let's subtract 5/7 and let's subtract from that 3/7. All we need to do is once again we keep the denominator the same. And here we subtract 3 from 5 and this gives us 2. Let's look at a quick example with diagrams to show us how that works. This time let's subtract 1/4 from 2/4. Now, as you can see in the diagram, if we have these two and we take away this one, we are left with just this quadrant, which means we are left with 1/4, which is 2 minus 1, 1/4. And this is how to add and subtract fractions with the same denominator.